teacher.
How are you today?
I'm 4 years old. I happy.
I'm happy. What's your name? My name is...
Thu Thảo.
How old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
What animal do you like?
I like cat.
I like cats. What color do you like?
I like pink.
Good. Are you ready?
Red.
Alright. Now, what color is this?
Pink.
It's pink. What color is this?
Brown.
It's brown. Look at the TV. What color is this?
Pink.
What color is this? It's white.
It's white.
What is it?
Window.
Door. It's a door. How many doors are there?
5 doors.
There are 5 doors. What is it?
Chair.
Chairs. How many chairs are there?
2 chairs.
There are 2 chairs. What is it?
Table.
Table. How many tables are there?
3 tables.
There are 3 tables. What is it?
Window.
Window. How many windows are there?
4 windows.
4 windows. There are 4 windows. Now let's move to family. Now who is this?
The granddad.
This is my granddad. Who's this?
Granny.
This is my granny. Who is this?
Daughter.
This is my daughter. And who's this?
Cousin.
This is my cousin. Who's this? This is Amanda.
Mother.
Who is this?
Outfit.
This is Alfie. Who's this?
George.
George. What are they?
Eye.
They are
Hand.
eyes and they are hands. What are they?
Eye.
Ears.
Ear.
They are ears. And what's this? This
Head.
is
Head.
head. Head. What are they?
Arm.
They are arms. What shape is it?
Circle.
It's square. What is this? It's a square. And then
Circle.
it's a circle. Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.